Hello children, I'm glad to meet you all. Today we are going to learn about 3-letter words of ob family. Ob. Ob. Let's get started. K. Ob. Cob. R. Ob. Rob. Let's practice more. B. Ob. Bob. M. Ob. Mob. J. Ob. Job. K. Ob. Cob. R. Ob. Rob. Ob. Sob. Kids, now repeat after me. Bob. Cob. Job. Mob. Rob. Sob. Kids, now your turn to read. Well done, kids. Good reading. Bye bye, kids. See you later. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the new video alerts. Link to all my phonics videos given below in the description box. Keep watching.